Hello guys, welcome to Placement Talk 786. Hope you all are doing great. So from today we are discussing about string methods in Apex, and this is the session for Salesforce development training. So we can start this video. Okay. So in this video we are going to explain some of the very useful methods from string class. So let's first we can find the documentation on string class. For that we need to go to our Google and we need to search like string class in Apex. So I already searched here string class in Apex. Okay. So you will find a reference to a Salesforce doc. Like here you can see this one is a reference Salesforce doc. So let's open this link and it will take us to the Apex developer guide. Like which is the official developer guide to learn Apex. Now here in this string class we have a we have quite a lot of methods, and we are going to explore some of the very useful or some of the very important method from the string class. Okay. Okay, the first method that we are going to explore is this capitalize method. So let me go to my developer console, and here I'm going to create a string variable. Let's call it as a string str equals to I am a string variable. So here first let's print as it is System.debug. Let's call it as a actual string, and let's print the value of a string variable, that is str. Print the value of str. Now what I will do, like I will simply change the, now if I want to change this, simply change this I, capital I to small I. Okay. Now if you want to capitalize this string, that means if you want to make the first letter in capital case, then you can use capitalize method for that. So I am going to add a comment here, capitalize method. So I can, so what we can do, like here we can write capitalize method code like system.debug. Then here we can write capitalize method. Here we can write capitalize string. Okay. Then we can pass this string our string is I am a string variable. That's it. Then string dot capitalize. Here in Salesforce orgs, like here you can see the capitalize. It returns the current string with the first letter changed to its ca- title case. Title case means uppercase. Okay. So let's execute this code and we will see our debug logs for this one. Execute. It's showing error. Line number 2 in column 13. So here I forgot about this one. So let's execute our code. Click on debug only. Here you can see that in our first string, which is actual string, here I is in the small case, but in this second case I is in uppercase. So here's another important method we can check. Now again go to the open exit, this one open exit command, and again we can check our string methods in apex class. Let's find important method which we can use later at the later point of view. Contains. So you can use this method to find out the string variable contains a particular string. So for example, we can check our string variable with this one that contains the word ring. So let's we can do that. So here I'm going to write contains example system.debug that contains ring. Then here I get plus symbol, then str.contains ring, because we are checking ring is available in our string variable, this one string method. So here ring is a very string is available, so we can simply run this code or execute our code. Let's see what will come. Click on debug only. Like here you can show it's showing true. So let's go back to the string class and find out few more useful methods with some other value. So let's try this equals method. Like it returns either true or false. So we will go to our developer console and open this open execute anonymous window, and here you can type over this is our equals code, equals example I can write. So what we will do, we will try to match our string, which is a I am a string variable, and we are trying to match it with ring, this ring. Okay, so I can write our code. So let's add some code like system.debug and write is equal to ring, then string str.equals. So let's execute this codes and we can check. So it's definitely written false. Let's also try this equal method on couple of more strings. Low, open again this equals method. Okay, let's try one more. Suppose I'm taking a string str1 equals to this placement. Okay, and string str2 equals to s- small case placement. Okay, then we can write system.debug statements. System.debug str1 equals str2. We can check this one, str dot equals. We are checking like str1 is equal to str2 or not. So here we can write str dot equals, in bracket we can write str2. Then we can run our execute our code. Let's see. So here it's showing false. It's showing false because we need to convert this string 1 to lowercase and string to lowercase. Then it will give us output as a true. For that, again I need to open this. Okay, then copy this one. I will show you like debugs. So if I write string 1 equals string 2, this one is a we are ignoring. Okay, this one is the ignore case. So here if I can write string 1 dot to lowercase. Okay, before we can do this one, lowercase and uppercase, first I can tell you about lowercase and uppercase method. So here I can write, we can convert a string to upper to lower, convert a string to uppercase. Uppercase means capital letter. So system dot debug. Here we can write uppercase. Then we can try string dot to uppercase. To uppercase. Okay, and convert string to lowercase. For that we can use our method to lowercase. System.debug lowercase, then str dot to lowercase. Like our string is I am a string variable, so it will convert our, in the first case it will convert our string to uppercase, and in the second case it will convert our string to our lowercase. So if we can execute this code, then click on debug only. Here you can see our string is I am a string variable, it will convert to I am a string variable, and in second case lowercase it's showing like I am a string variable in small case. Okay, now I can tell you about this one. Like first, when we are going to checking this equals condition, string 1 and string 2 are matching or not. So here we can use our ignore case. Like if we can ignore this, then it will work or not. Like first we can convert our string 1 to lowercase and string 2 or lowercase, then it will work. Here we can type string 1 dot to lowercase dot equals, then we can type here string 2 dot to lowercase. Okay, then we can run this code, debug only. So here you can see the ignore case is showing true. Okay, now we can explore one or two more methods for this one, for string methods. So like this length methods, like you can try this length method, like it will show you the length of the your strings. Like we can try this split method, like it will return the substring of the string which is terminated by other regular expression. Okay, so I will tell you this split method. Like if I can go to this one, system.debug. So here we can write our code, split. So here we can write our code system.debug split. Suppose if we want to split our string by space, then here we can write str.split. Okay, I want to split this one into single quotes. So if I so what it will so this one is our string. Is I am a string variable. So it will split our variable like that. It will like, output goes like it will divide it into four to five types. Okay, if I click on execute, then debug only. Here you can see like it will divide it into five. Like I am a string variable like that. Okay. Now again we can move to this one. Again we can check which one we can use to lowercase and uppercase. We already done trim method. Like it will trim the spaces around. Like suppose in this example, suppose if I give spaces, give space in front and at last. So with the help of this method, we can remove these spaces in our string. Okay. So now we can check with this remove method. Like it will remove the specified substring. Like I will show you. Remove. Copy this one. So like if I want to remove if I want to remove ring in our variables. So if what I can write like system.debug, then this one is our comment remove. Then we can write remove dot str dot simply write remove. Then what we can remove, like in this string I want to remove this ring. Okay. So if I can write here ring, then execute our code, then we can check. So here you can see that our is I am a string variable. So here you can see the I am a st variable. Now again we can search for the another method. We can use replace method. We can check like here first we can give the target value which we can want to replace, and this one is the replacement. Like suppose here we want to give ring. Like if we can our string value is I am a string variables. So if I want to replace ring to wrong, then it will replace the value. So I will tell you what I will say in that. So so our string is I am a string variable. Suppose I want to remove ring to wrong, then it will this method will replace the value variable replace method. So system dot debug replace the ring to wrong. So what we can write here str dot replace. Here first we can give replace a ring, then we can give comma, then we can add wrong. So it will replace the our string ring to wrong. If I can execute this code, that we can check. So here you can see I am a strong variable, not a string variables. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. We will meet you soon in next session. Bye bye.